Hey guys, this is the first grade orientation video. First, we're going to talk about a few school routines. Arrival procedures for first grade. School hours are from 7:50 a.m. to 2:55 p.m. All buildings will be locked until 7:20 a.m. If you need to drop your child off before 7:20 a.m., Life Church Development Center provides morning care as early as 6 a.m. At 7:25, morning duty will begin, or the cafeteria will be open for breakfast. Elementary students should not be unsupervised in the cafeteria prior to school starting. They may remain with a parent or high school sibling once the building doors are unlocked. Parents may drop off their children in elementary car line or walk their child to his or her classroom. No one will be allowed to congregate in the hallways. Exterior doors will be locked at 7:50 a.m. Absences and tardies. Absences in excess of 20 require a doctor's note. Students with more than 20 absences without doctor's notes will have to repeat the grade. Instruction begins as soon as the bell rings at 7:50. Please plan to be at school on time. Early dismissals. Please go to the front office. Be prepared to show photo ID. Only those listed on the student release form will be allowed to pick up your child. Please keep that current. No early dismissals allowed after 2:30 p.m. Car line and dismissal. Grades 1 through 3 will dismiss at 2:55. You may park your car and walk up to get your child, or you may use the car line. You should choose the car line wave of your oldest child. Parents will not enter the buildings at dismissal time. Please do not get out of your vehicle in the pickup lines. Please park your vehicle if you need to get out of your car. Use the crosswalks provided when dropping off and picking up your child. Keeping our students and families safe is a main priority. Place the sign given to you at Meet the Teacher in a highly visible spot in your car window. This will make it easier to locate and load your child or children. We will not release a child to anyone not listed on the student release form. Students in grades 7 and up are allowed to pick up their younger siblings only if they are listed on the student release form as being approved to do so. If your child is leaving campus with a classmate, your child must provide a signed note from a parent or legal guardian. Students not picked up by 3:35 will be taken to Life Church Development Center. This is a map of Carline. The number 1 building right there is Life Church. So right behind it, you'll see building 8. That's where we are. And we will come out and sit right in front of our building on the benches. So if you're picking up, that's where you will walk to. If you are in Carline, your children will be walked from that spot. Aftercare. Please put on the student release form if your child will attend aftercare. Regular after-school care children will be taken to Life Church Child Development Center at 3:15. Please send a note making your child's teacher aware of any changes in his or her pickup routine. Any child present at 3:35 will be taken to after-school care. Inside pickup. If the weather is not conducive to outdoor pickup, you will be contacted via remind by your child's homeroom teacher. Please bring your pickup sign used at Carline with you. Students will remain in their classrooms and parents will walk to the classroom door to pick up their child.
Okay, severe weather. The school will be open unless the weather makes it dangerous for school to be in session. On questionable mornings, school closure will be announced on our school website, social media, email, remind text, local radio, and TV stations. If weather conditions become severe during the school day, parents may check out their child at their discretion. Phone usage. During school hours, school phones are for illness and emergencies only. To encourage individual student responsibility, students will not be allowed to call home for parents to bring forgotten homework, lunches, athletic uniforms, etc. Okay, medication and health concerns. Medication can be dispensed by the teacher with the completed medication form. This includes cough drops and skin creams. Medication should be delivered in the proper prescription or over-the-counter bottle. A medication form will be provided. Please note on the student release form any physical limitations or health problems your child may have. Okay, protocol for illness. Temperature must be below 100. See health policy for complete list of symptoms. Children must be symptom-free for at least 24 hours. Additional time may be required depending on diagnosis. Chapel. Chapel will be held every other Tuesday in the Life Church auditorium. Parents are welcome to attend chapel with their child. Water bottles and water fountains. Students may keep a water bottle in their cubby during the day. All water bottles must be labeled with student names. Bottles may only contain water. Email and Plus portals. Plus portal is a wonderful tool that can be used to find out updated information on our class, your child's grades, and other Faith Academy news. Teacher email addresses are listed below. Social media. Only Facebook pages created by the classroom teacher should contain the teacher's name. To minimize confusion, parent-generated group pages are strongly discouraged. Uniform policy. Girls may wear a plaid V-neck jumper or gray uniform pants or shorts with the Faith Academy logo uniform shirt. K-3 grade 12 girls will wear black, navy, and white saddle Oxfords with the white monogrammed Faith Academy socks. White leggings or tights may also be worn. Please note, the front and back of all dresses, skirts, and shorts links must fall to the top of the knee. Boys, all age groups will wear gray uniform pants with the Faith Academy logo uniform shirt. Solid black belts with a nondescript buckle should be worn by boys in grades 1 through 12. All age groups will wear solid black Oxfords or loafers with black crew socks. Please note, black tennis shoes are not permitted. Only white short-sleeved t-shirts should be worn under uniform shirts. Long-sleeved t-shirts, colored t-shirts, or turtlenecks are not permitted. Girls, all hairstyles must be in accordance with conservative professional standards as determined by the school administration. Hair color must be a natural color. Head wraps are not allowed. Boys, all hairstyles must be in accordance with conservative professional standards as determined by the school administration. Hair must be above the eyebrows in the front, above the collar in the back, and above the ears on the sides, while unsecured by hair products or accessories. Boys are not allowed to wear hair accessories. Hair height cannot exceed 2 inches from the scalp. Sideburns below mid-ear, mohawks, man buns, shaved lines, beards, or mustaches are not permitted. Boys' hair must be his naturally occurring color. School supplies and personal belongings. Please label all belongings such as jackets, PE shoes, lunch bags, and backpacks. Please do not send supplies or other items to school with designs of Pokemon, Halloween, scary images, or Mardi Gras.
Rules and discipline. A school-wide discipline form will be given to you on Thursday, August the 11th. This form will need to be signed and returned as soon as possible. Our basic classroom rules are listed on this form. If a child loses 2 or 3 smiles in the course of a day, a discipline report will be sent home to be signed by a parent. Also, the child will lose a special privilege. If the 4th smile is lost, the student will be sent to the office and parents will be contacted. Your child will receive a 20-point grade in conduct each week. Lunch. All lunches must be pre-ordered using myschoolaccount.com. You must order lunch for your child through this online system by midnight the night before. We are experiencing some growing pains. Due to increased enrollment and limited space in the cafeteria, lunch visits will not be allowed this year. First graders may not order soft drinks or ice cream for lunch or snack. Please do not send microwave meals to be heated, and practice opening packaged food and drink items with your child at home. Snack. First graders may not order or bring soft drinks to school for snack. Please keep in mind our snack time will be 10 to 15 minutes long. Please do not send large amounts of food for snack. Just keep it simple. Academics. The Abeka curriculum is used to teach phonics and math. We will implement activities daily to build fluency in reading, writing skills, and reading comprehension. Social studies and science will be taught throughout the year. Tests will be given each week in phonics and spelling, math, and handwriting. Bible memory verse quizzes will be given every other week. Progress reports will be sent home weekly. Please review the test papers with your child and return the tests with the signed cover page. A weekly summary sheet will be sent home each Monday. This will include class goals, homework, and news for the week. Homework each week will consist of memory work for Bible verses, spelling words, and reading. Daily seat work is not graded, but it will be spot checked. Seat work performance will be reflected in the quarterly work study grade. Please go over work that is brought home. By doing this, you will be able to identify areas in which your child may need help or encouragement. Seat work does not need to be returned to school. A student in first grade must receive a passing grade in all core subject areas in order to be promoted. The core subjects are reading, phonics, spelling, and math. Help class. Help classes will be held Tuesday through Thursday from 7:25 to 7:45 a.m. There is no charge for help classes. Help classes will rotate based on which teachers do not have morning duty. More information concerning help class will be sent home soon. Library. First graders will attend library twice a month. Mrs. Bowman will have a story time with the children and assist them in checking out books. Library books will remain at school. Computer. First grade students will go to computer class once a week.
All right, music class. Students in first grade through fourth grade will attend music class once a week with Miss Friday. Only one section will go to music class at a time. If you would like your child to have private music lessons, you can stop by the Arts Building and speak to Miss Sells, Mr. Young, Miss Tripp, or Miss Friday whenever we have Meet the Teacher. PE. Students will need PE shoes with non-marking soles for PE that they will change into. Girls can wear their KED uniform shoes to PE. Girls also need to wear shorts under their jumpers. Cell phones. First grade students are not allowed to bring cell phones or any other electronic devices to school. Class fees. The yearly fee is $13 that you can turn into your classroom teacher for Scholastic magazines and any other supplies that are needed. Make the checks payable to Faith Academy, and those are due by August 26th. Tuition and any other school fees need to be handled through the bookkeeping office. Classroom needs. There will be a class wish list posted in each child's classroom at Meet the Teacher. Please sign up to be a parent volunteer, room mom, room dad, or any other kind of helper that we may need. Forms that you will need to fill out. On August 11th at Meet the Teacher, there will be forms, student release form and the assertive discipline form on your child's desk that you will need to fill out and get returned back to the teacher. It says, please list several friends and family that may be emergency contacts or may be allowed to pick up your child. Circle the parent's phone number that you would like to be the first person to be contacted. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation, and we look forward to seeing every single one of you at Meet the Teacher.